Google just pulled the trigger on what it's calling the biggest upgrade in Chrome's history. The browser that dominates the internet is being rebuilt as an AI system with Gemini wired directly into it. This isn't just an update, it's a complete reimagining of what a browser can do, promising a more intuitive, intelligent, and secure online experience. At the heart of this revolution is Gemini, Google's advanced AI model, now fully integrated into Chrome. What was once a premium, subscriber-only feature is now freely available within your browser. If you're on a Mac or Windows PC in the United States, with your language set to English, Gemini is already there, ready to transform your browsing. And for those on the go, a rapid rollout to Android and iOS is just around the corner, with seamless integration planned, even a shortcut on Android to summon Gemini instantly with your power button. So, what does having Gemini in Chrome actually mean for you? It's far beyond simply answering trivia. This AI powerhouse can read and comprehend the page you're currently viewing, compare information across multiple open tabs, and even recall websites you visited days or weeks ago without you needing to manually sift through your history. For example, if you were browsing for a new Oak Desk last Tuesday, you could simply ask Gemini, "Where was that site with the Oak Desk I saw?" And it will effortlessly bring it back up. This is true context awareness, embedded directly into your browsing flow. But its capabilities stretch even further. Gemini ties into Google's vast ecosystem, allowing Chrome to interact intelligently with your other Google services. Need to jump to a specific moment in a YouTube video, drop an item into your Google Calendar, or pull up location details from Maps? Chrome can now handle all of this without you ever needing to leave your current page. It's no longer just about surfing the web. It's about Chrome acting as an intelligent hub, seamlessly connecting all your digital activities. This entire overhaul is being hailed as the most significant redesign since Chrome first launched in 2008. Google sees it as a fundamental shift, moving the browser beyond a passive tool that simply renders pages, towards an active, intelligent partner that understands the web, helps you achieve more, and keeps you safer. One of the most noticeable changes for users will be the enhanced AI mode, right within Chrome's Omnibox. That's your address bar. Instead of just short search queries or URLs, you can now type complex, natural language questions and get answers directly without navigating away from your current page. If you're on a product page, Chrome can summarize it, or even suggest follow-up. Questions like, "What's the warranty policy?" or "Compare battery life with similar models." This powerful feature is already rolling out for English speakers in the US, with broader availability soon. And this isn't the only advanced feature on the horizon. Get ready for what Google calls agentic browsing. While not fully live yet, this is Gemini, acting as a proper AI agent capable of performing multi-step tasks in the background on your behalf. Imagine it booking a haircut appointment, filling your online grocery cart based on a list in your email, or even drafting an email. Crucially, it will handle all the tedious clicking and form filling, but never execute irreversible actions, like sending an email or completing a purchase, without your explicit approval. This represents a monumental leap in automated assistance, making your browser a true digital assistant. Security and safety are also undergoing a massive upgrade. Gemini Nano, a more compact version of the AI assistant, is now deeply integrated into Chrome's defenses. This allows the browser to more effectively detect and block sophisticated scams, such as fake support pop-ups, bogus virus alerts, and fraudulent giveaways. Google reports that these AI-powered protections have already intercepted billions of scam and spam notifications daily on Android alone. Permissions and notifications are also becoming smarter, with Chrome factoring in your past preferences and the trustworthiness of a site to present requests in a less intrusive way, or blocking spammy notifications outright. The goal is to minimize friction while keeping you fully in control. Your passwords are getting smarter too. Beyond simply alerting you to compromised credentials, Chrome will soon act as a proactive password agent. On supported sites, it will allow you to change a breached password with a single click, eliminating the frustration of hunting through settings pages on every individual website. This profound transformation of Chrome isn't just about new features. It's a strategic move by Google. Chrome has always been a cornerstone of its search empire, channeling users to Google Search. Now it's becoming the primary conduit for Google's AI ambitions, with rivals like OpenAI's ChatGPT, Microsoft's Copilot, and Anthropic's Claude, all vying to be the front door to AI. Google is ensuring Chrome remains the dominant entry point for billions. By weaving Gemini into every layer of the browser, from the Omnibox to tab management to security, it secures Chrome's position as the gateway to its vast AI ecosystem. While some of the more elaborate features, like ordering groceries via Gemini, might take time to become everyday habits, the real game changers will be the quiet, constant improvements. Think smarter tab organization, instant article summaries, and invisible, ironclad protection against online threats. These are the advancements that will fundamentally change how we interact with our browser, making it an indispensable, intelligent companion. For now, these powerful new capabilities are rolling out first in the United States, in English, primarily on desktop versions for Mac and Windows. Mobile devices, enterprise users, and other languages and regions are on the roadmap, with exact timelines to be announced. The stakes are incredibly high for Google. If Chrome becomes the default AI browser, then for the majority of the world's internet users, Gemini will be their introduction to AI. This is a level of positioning that every AI company dreams of, and Google, with Chrome's unparalleled reach, is uniquely placed to achieve it. This isn't just an update, it's a redefinition of what a browser can be. Chrome is transforming from a passive tool into an intelligent partner. Always learning, always protecting, and always ready to help you get more done. But what do you think? Is this the exciting future of browsing, or does it raise privacy concerns? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this dive into Chrome's AI future insightful, give us a like, share this video, and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.